Let's subtract. 782 minus 301. I'm going to rewrite this problem in a vertical format. And remember, the numbers must be written in the order that the problem was given. 782 has to go on top and 301 must go at the bottom. Let's begin subtracting in the ones column. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8. And 7 minus 3 is 4. 782 minus 301 equals 481. On the board, we have 839 minus 413. In this example, we are subtracting a 3-digit number from another 3-digit number. When subtracting, always begin in the ones column and then move over to the next column, which is the tens column, and then move over to the last column, which is the hundreds column. So let's get started. Starting in the ones column, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we're moving over to the tens column. 3 minus 1 is 2. And now we're moving over to the hundreds column. The hundreds column is the next column to subtract in. 8 minus 4 is 4, making our answer 426. 839 minus 413 equals 426. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.